In this video, we're going to go through the process of cleaning the kitchen. So we just gather our materials and we're going to go into the kitchen and we're going to simply wipe down the surfaces that we need to wipe down after clearing the countertop of any items that are in the way. So dishes could go in the sink or the dishwasher. Any garbage that you might have laying around could go into the trash. Any food that needs to get put away could get put away. This is a fairly clear counter. Just going to wipe it down. And then some kitchens have a table or island or another surface that could be wiped down. In this case, it's the kitchen island that I'm wiping. In the classroom setting, we wipe down, usually the kitchen area is the conference room, so we do our conference room table. Finally, we just need to sweep up any messes that are on the floor. Usually sweep it into a pile before sweeping it onto the dustpan. After a job well done, we're just going to clean up our materials, and then we're going to go ahead and put them back into the closet.